Happiness, for some, can seem like an elusive dream, and for others, it's a constant reality. The difference is a mindset that looks for the best in a given situation. If we spend our time looking for life to be perfect, that the children are polite and well-behaved, there is enough money in our savings account and retirement fund, the renovations are finished, we have the right job, we have the best partner, we may be waiting for a very long time, and we may be disappointed that happiness doesn't seem to come our way. True happiness is not putting a smile on our face and saying that everything is great, but it is problem-solving the difficult situations and looking for things in our life that are going well. In the workshops that I deliver, we talk about looking for the awesome. What are the cool things that are around us every day that often we miss because we spend too much of our time looking for things that are not going quite right? So here are today's hot tips for building resiliency and celebrating Hunt for Happiness Week. Look for the awesome. Be thankful for the things that are true blessings in your life. And understand that you have the final say in your own happiness. Discover how to take small steps towards a healthier, happier, less stressed you by visiting my website at worksmartlivesmart.com.